We are stepping in an amphitheater-shaped space of the rotunda within the gallery. In the dark, we are looking at the black and white images presented as a slideshow. One of the Javanese popular mystical traditions symbolically connects with the local heritage, the spirit of the Roman basilica, and the archaeological remains of an early Christian rotunda at the heart of Ljubljana's center of modern photographic art. The project named The Lengger Lanang Dancer, taken by Aji Susanto Anom, a photographer and lecturer at the Indonesian Institute of the Arts in Yogyakarta. Aji explores the depth of Javanese tradition and the collective inner soul that expressed through rituals of folk customs. He described his project as the story about bodies inside bodies.
This dance exists originally as a cultural spiritual rite performed by a man who dressed up as a woman. During their performance, I saw no other than beautiful and delicate being. There is no man or woman anymore. It's a transcendental moment. My heart was fluttered and confused when I saw the Lengger Lanang dance for the first time. All the audience was bewitched by their dance. The aura from the dancer was unreal as they become another persona, mesmerizing and mystical. Rianto, one of the Lengger Lanang Langgengsari founders, said it is called nyawiji, a condition when male body become one with female indang inside, a spiritual being. Lengger Lanang Langgengsari is a community which can be reflects cultural tradition that fighting for their existence as well as preserve their authentic legacy. For years I've been always fascinated by the mythology and the secret of our profound life. So far through documentary project, I mostly engage with the intangible side of Indonesia and its culture. For me, photography is a mundane poison that has haunted my life.